My name is Prasad Nidhi from Dhanbad Lab Instrument India Private Limited. Today I want to show you isolation meter from PC Instrument UK. We Dhanbad Instrument are authorized distributor of PC Instrument in India, and we are today unboxing this insulation meter in front of you. This is carrying case. This is main instrument of isolation meter. The model number of this instrument is PC-IT55 insulation meter or isolation meter. These are testing cables. There are 6 number of batteries comes along with this instrument. This is extra cable of 1 meter. And to read all the specification and how to operate this instrument, this is the manual which comes along with this instrument. You will find all the specification how to run this instrument through this manual book. So I am again coming to main instrument, that is PC-IT55. This is an instrument used to determine insulation resistance, alternating current, continuous current, and it is used to test all these parameters. This determines insulation resistance up to maximum of 2000 mega ohm for auxiliary voltage of 250, 500 and 1000 voltage. The main advantage with PC instrument are in PC instrument you will find all type of isolation meter for variety of ranges, that is from 50 mega ohm to 2000 mega ohm. This instrument is of 2000 mega ohm. This meets the standard of ICE 10101 CAD3 1000 volt, and this instrument have large dual backlit display, and this is long continuous button. This is when you press this button, you will calculate the prolonged measurement or individual measurement. This also indicate overload and battery level. This instrument also auto shut to conserve battery power. This comes with ready in use with own carrying case, and this instrument also comes with ISO calibration certificate or NABL calibration certificate. These certificates comes under only the demand of customers. So Dhanbad Instrument is authorized distributor of PC Instrument in India. To buy this instrument, contact Dhanbad Instrument through www.dhanbadinstruments.com. Thank you so much for watching Dhanbad Lab Instrument. Thank you.